Hello everybody and welcome. I am Baldev Lamba. I am a landscape architect and a professor at Temple University.
And I'm Marie Lamba and I'm an author. And together, Baldev and I have written Green Green, a community gardening story. This picture book is illustrated by Sonia Sanchez, and we're going to read it for you today. We hope you enjoy it. Green Green, fresh and clean. Brown, brown, dig the ground. Rakes scrape, seeds in rows. Tamp and water, the garden grows. Brown, brown, dig the ground. Dozers lift, concrete flows, stone and metal, the city grows. And grows. Green, green, in between. Squirrel gray, pigeon blue, weeds and wildflowers, litter too. Brown, brown, dig the ground. Brown, brown, dig the ground. Lift and clear, shovel rows, working together, the garden grows. And grows. And grows. Green, green, keep it clean. At the end of the book, you'll find ways to make your world more green, green. Here you go. Got it. Ways to make your world more green, green. Bees and butterflies need your help, and information about that, and even a craft about bees and butterflies. So we hope you check it out, and I hope you'll be more green, green, and that you enjoyed our book today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.